Alright guys, so we got done tinting the Tesla Model S, so let me show you what it looks like. So we have Photosync 30 of the sides in the back, which is very typical for people in Houston. So here's a close-up of what the windows look like. You can still see in, especially with the white interior, but it's not as easy as before. And here's what it looks like in the back, a lot harder to see in. We also tinted the panel roof in Photosync 30 as well. I mean, from the outside, it pretty much looks pitch black. And of course, Photosync 70 in the front windshield, because you can't tint every window on the Tesla and then leave the front windshield exposed. What's the point of that? Heat just gets in. And here's the view from the inside. So we're looking through the front windshield. As you can see, super clear, no issues with visibility. And here's the sides, very clear as well. And that's the back window. As you can see out very easily. And here's the top, super clean, looks so good, especially now that the whole thing is tinted. You can see the outside still, like the light post and like the trees, so it's not completely pitch black. And the true beauty with Photosync is that you don't have to go dark to get heat rejection. So if you like that fishbowl super clear look like we did on the front windshield, you can do that on all the sides and the back, and it will look really good, and it will still block a lot of heat.